Yan sa Biscalvin, nasa Viscas Pisa. Pari alas sunod, no? Okay? Hi there, there's a lot of space here. Please sit down na so that we can start eating.
Ay, kuha na ko dari tingin ulit para magtapad ta.
Sit down.
Ayan. Pero malaki man pala ate, no? Okay ate, maraming ice. Hindi ba ano din, hindi ba siya matabang?
Wala na tayong plato?
Ting daghanan ang daming ano. There's a lot of happenings everywhere. Pero naman kaya ikalamay.
This is how you lava here in Norway. Wash the dishes.
Yeah.
Get your sabon. This is your dishwasher. Yabo a little and then close. Wait 30 seconds. Everything is done.
Oh, diba?
Oh.
Kaunin mo.
Hindi ko alam eh.
Advertise your binangkal. Sige daw, try daw. Try daw ka na mag-advertise sa binangkal. Try daw ma-advertise binangkal.
Nalala mo yung childhood mo.
Pertindakan.
Wow! Ay, pumiyak. Wow! Wow!
Kada open for a wow. The baby. The one. Oh, diba? Oh, diba? New improved cake nila. Pinaka-healthy na cake of all. Gandang style, diba? Hi, Andy! Oh, diba? Hi, Kaya! Reveal! Wow! O, diba? Tingnan nyo. Different kind of food. Parang fiesta lang dito. Ayan. Ito yung sa akin.
Quiet! Quiet, everyone! Tonight, this is a very special night for a fabulous and glamorous sa Bisaya pa ay pasarili naman. Bisag 40 na. Guwapo pag-ihapon. gusto din. Ate Do, wait, may sasabihin kami sa'yo. Ate Do ka, para hindi ka center. Grabe ni si Ate Do. Uy, mahiyakin ka kayo siya. Kahit sa birthday na, nahiyak pa rin siya. This is a very special day because Ate Do not just turn a lady, but turn into a woman. She's a cocoon that's turning into butterfly. A surprise ka eh? Surprise ka eh? This party is only prepared for you.
This is only for